Okay, we got it opened up and we need some answers. So it's hard for the view right now, but this is sitting underneath the car looking at the right hand outer rocker. And here is the outer rocker that's been replaced. And here is the old one that they put over it. And it runs front to back. So you can see it said somebody already made a quote unquote repair. So that edge you're seeing is the old rocker. The one that looks decent, that one is the new one. Now we're going up front, underneath where the door bolts up to, there's multiple layers of metal. And the lower of the jam where the door bolts, looking up at it, needs the whole complete bottom repaired. It's all basically integrated into one. It's the whole old inner rocker, sill plate rather, then multiple patches from the outside inside. Question is, we need some direction. We're building this, we're rebuilding the backside. If you can see the backside of the jam. Question is, how do we want to attack it? Do we want to do the best? I don't know. We just need some direction on how nice or how not so nice. Do we leave it, make the best we can without getting into the A surface, or I mean, obviously it's a lot more work, but anyway, that's a brief update on the right hand side, what we need answers on. See you, bye.